If you've ever been to a wedding where the bride got her makeup professionally done, you might understand why it's so worth it to actually spend the money and get a professional to do your makeup. Because typically a professional can make you look so much better than you could on your own. Now, of course, nowadays with YouTube and TikTok and all the makeup tutorials, I definitely feel like the average person has gotten so much better at doing their own makeup, and some people are almost like professionals with it. But if you've ever followed a makeup tutorial online and you just felt like it didn't look as good on you as it did on the person who did the tutorial, even though you guys might have like similar skin tones or similar features, you just felt like the makeup looked weird or off on you, this is probably because you guys might have had different face shapes or different eye shapes. Maybe you have different undertones that you're not aware of. And basically these are things that you would really only know if you've ever gotten through a professional makeup course. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about Online Makeup Academy. I'm basically going to give you a little review of what I think about their courses. And most importantly, I want to share some of my favorite tips and tricks that I've learned. These professional makeup tips can really help you take your makeup to the next level and actually make you look your best. And you might be able to relate to this, but if you've ever spent so much time on your makeup and then it just didn't even make you look better, and sometimes it can even make you look worse, it's one of the worst feelings in the world. And so I feel like these makeup tips will really help you so that you never have to feel that way again, and you always feel like your makeup is actually enhancing your natural features and making you look your best. If you've always been drawn to makeup, or if you're always the designated person in your family who has to do everyone else's makeup, or maybe with your friends, you always have to do all of your friends' makeup for going out, or maybe for a family wedding, you're literally the one doing everyone's makeup. Maybe you even thought about becoming a makeup artist. Maybe it's something that you're kind of interested in, but you don't necessarily want to invest all of your time into it. You don't necessarily want to like switch career before you know if it's really for you. I think Online Makeup Academy is a really good choice because everything is online and you can work through the course at your own pace, which is one of my favorite things. And you will get a certificate at the end which can help you with your makeup career. Another one of my favorite perks is that you will get the Pro card, which can give you up to 40% discounts on huge makeup brands like Makeup Forever, Anastasia Beverly Hills, NYX, Inglot, just to name a few. There's more. Or if you're like me and you genuinely just want to learn how to do your makeup so that you can look your best and save money on getting your makeup professionally done every time you have a good event, I think you should definitely check out Online Makeup Academy. Now there is a makeup kit, but I think this is helpful again if you are the person who has to always do everyone's makeup for family events or all your friends' makeup when you go out. Having this professional makeup kit is actually going to be so helpful because everybody has different skin tones, and it's just nice to have like a full complete set. That way when your cousin requests like a purple smoky eye, you can do it. And then when your best friend requests like a brown smoky eye, you also have all of the tools that you need to do that. So this is what you get in the makeup kit. You get a set of brushes. It looks like there's every brush you could possibly need. You also get a concealer palette and a lipstick palette. These photo submission forms, some lashes, and this is for foundation or just to put your makeup on so it's more hygienic. This concealer palette with a lot of different shades and undertones. This really bright blush palette. I like how there's a lot of different shades. A contour blush and highlight palette. This eyeshadow palette. This is a good little travel palette. And this eyeshadow palette with so many different colors. There's a good mix of mattes and shimmers. I feel like this would be really good if you wanted to do different looks on everybody. Like if everyone was requesting different color schemes or different color smoky eyes, you can definitely get a lot done with these colors. I want to thank Makeup Academy for sponsoring this video, and I also have a discount code for you guys. So I will leave the code on the screen and you can use this code to get $100 off. So one of my favorite tips that I learned is that you're supposed to apply foundation starting at the center of your face and then sort of blend outwards. And this will just give you the most flawless look. The one thing I was most excited to learn was how to contour and do blush and highlight for my face shape. I consider myself to have an oval face shape and I have always struggled with contour and blush and highlight I'll insert a clip of when I was really bad at doing my makeup, and you can kind of see how when you don't know how to contour and highlight and blush your face correctly, it actually will make you look so much worse. So that's one of my favorite things that I learned from this course, was how to actually contour for my face shape. And another really cool one is how to do makeup for different eye shapes, as well as different types of skin tones and skin texture. So I do my mom and my like aunts' makeup all the time for weddings. They always make me do all like everyone's makeup, and they tend to have more mature skin, which can be a bit of a challenge. Like if you don't know what you're doing with mature skin, you can actually really emphasize their pores and just make them look bad unintentionally, which I never want to do. So I'm really glad that there is a section on all of the different skin tones and skin types and how to do makeup properly and correctly for them. So I definitely encourage you to check out their website and see if it's a good fit for you. And remember that there is a discount code that you can use if you want to save some money. I will also be replying to comments for the next 2 days, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Okay, that's it for today's little video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye!